At Lincoln Land Community College, agriculture is more than a program. It's where students grow their skills, discover new passions, and prepare to make an impact.
I graduated from Lincoln Land Community College in 2020 with an ag transfer degree and then continued on to Iowa State University to finish my education. I was involved with the livestock judging team, the ag club, and the accounting club here at Lincoln Land. The staff here prepared me the best. They knew what I needed to continue on to the university I was deciding to go to, and I never had to retake any classes. So the staff here, by some margin, prepared me better than a lot of my other transfer classmates at Iowa State. Lincoln Land provided me with a lot of opportunities that were hands-on that I probably wouldn't have had otherwise.
My degree here at Lincoln Land Community College was actually in the Precision Agronomy and Fertilizer program. It's been a few years ago. It was in 2011, 2012 time frame. At that time I had Rich Teeter, Harmon, and Craig Beckmeyer in my program and really enjoyed my time in that program. With that program opened up a lot of opportunities for me, including one of the biggest things was the internship program. And I've got some pretty neat stories behind what that internship opportunity looked like.
I went to Lincoln Land and I studied in the ag transfer program. I was involved in pretty much every club possible in the ag program with PAS, competing in state and nationals, Collegiate Farm Bureau, Ag Club, and I was also an ag ambassador, serving with other students, and I also was in the honors program here at Lincoln Land. Lincoln Land has helped open my eyes to different parts of agriculture. The animal science class was a little out of the ordinary for me, but it really helped me see that that's something that I do enjoy, and that's something that I plan to continue to study when I go to Carbondale.
We have a good ratio with teacher and staff member to help you when you have an issue. It's like a family. When you have a problem, there's more than one person willing to step in and help you. Initially, I didn't know, but when I kind of spent 1 year and then the second year, and whenever I have some issue, there are people stepping in from the ag department or from the advisor side or from different programs like BSU, the TRIO program, to help me kind of navigate. That was very important. And if I can add something, when I kind of, start with the ag department, I was studying how to grow cash crops. But as I went a little bit further, I kind of decided that I would choose a different pathway, which is exactly what I'm doing right here.
How I got started in the agriculture industry actually began with a passion for agriculture at an early age. I was fortunate enough to kind of know what I wanted to do in high school. So I knew I wanted to pursue agriculture, and Lincoln Land seemed like the logical next step after high school to kind of figure out which path I wanted to go down. And turns out, with some guidance, I wanted to go down the ag science route. Lincoln Land kind of helped me kind of understand better which direction in agriculture that I wanted to focus on. And more importantly, there was the educational component of Lincoln Land, but something else that I found very fascinating and really helped me in my future career is the people I met while I was there. And that's from educators to people who've become lifelong friends. It really helped me build my current professional network at an early age.